Good morning, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have my last Carriage baby project card making um, project to show you for this week. And so once again, if you watch me all week, I've been doing it so many different ways, and today is a little different. So this is Anna Griffin dies, and I used this set of dies, and it is the Baby Carriage. Let's see, the exact name is Baby Carriage Easel Die Set. I used that, and I used the Baby Carriage Icon Cut and Embossed folders, and I used her embellishments, but I went a little rogue. I hardly ever do that, but I have graphic 45 paper, and so I used their paper, but I also used Anna Griffin's foil paper, so it all matched so nice. So let's go through it, and I don't remember the graphic 45 paper. I pulled it from 3 different ones, and so here is the die, and here is the ABCs, but it really went really well for a little boy, I think. Easel card die. This is embossed, but my lighting is so bad. But Anna's embellishments match this nicely. I just pulled. So it is half Anna and half graphic 45. Maybe more Anna because it's her die, this embellishments, and then graphic 45. But you just can't go wrong. Look how beautiful that is. So it's an easel die, and it stands up like that. And so here is another one. And this is from the baby paper, but I don't know the brand. But look how Anna's foil cardstock matched this. So it is just so pretty. Look at that. And her roses match. These are yellow roses. I don't know if you can see it. It was just meant to be for today. And then here is this one. And this one says Pickaboo right here on the stopper. And then it says Precious Memories, Baby. It's just perfect for a little boy because that's one thing Anna does need to do is do baby paper and embellishments. We really do need that. I think a lot of her followers have grandkids, so sometimes you struggle. But I just made like 3 other videos with all Anna and baby stuff, so I didn't struggle. But anyway, there's that one, and then I got a couple more. So here is another one. Whoa. So here's another one I made. Isn't it so cute? It's got a duck, a teddy bear, and there's that one. And then I got 2 more. This says baby, but I don't know if you can see it because this got cut, and then this says baby right here, and then there's a little baby, like almost an angelic angel, and those pinks of Anna's pulled out of this paper, so it really turned out really nice. I really like this, so that was nice. And then here is the last one, and this is ABCs, and they are little stamps, and it just worked out perfect. All this just worked out so nice. So if you say, I don't do Anna Griffin, you should do her dies. Her dies are top quality dies, and then just use the paper you want. But I hate to say it, Anna Griffin paper is top quality, and so is graphic 45. Maybe I'm a little snob, but I only use the best that I find out there, and there are several, but these 2 are beautiful, and I'm happy to share it. So hopefully you like it. I'm going to bring them down so that you can see them, and I hope you like my video, and I can't believe how rogue I went. So it's just different today, isn't it? Alright guys, have a blessed day. All my links are down below, annagriffin.com or hsn.com, and then I also buy from graphic45.com. Have a blessed day.